How to see where you're logged in on your Instagram Lite account. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to see on which devices, on which locations you are logged into your Instagram Lite account, then what you're simply going to do is first of all, launch the Instagram Lite application on your device. Upon launching it, in the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll see your profile's picture. Click on it. Then it'll take you to this page where you'll see all the information about your profile. Now, in the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a 3-bar option. Click on it. Then go to settings. After that, in the first, you can see the option which says Account Center. Open it. Then you'll go to Account Center. Now from over here, what you're going to do is go to the option which says Password and Security right over here under Account Settings. Open it, then under security checks, you'll see 3 options: where you're logged in, logging alerts, and recent emails. Go to the first option which says where you're logged in, and then click on your name over here. Now, you'll see all the devices that are logged in on your account and also the locations and also the time when they were logged in. So this is how you can find out where you're logged in on your Instagram Lite account. So thanks for watching the video till the end. Hope this video was very helpful and informational to you guys, and see you in the next video.